Hello guys, today I will show you how you can complete open your motor hood at your car. A lot of cars have this trick, I don't know exactly which. This is a Mercedes, it's E220, but a lot of cars have this trick, if I can say that. So you can completely open your motor hood, especially when you work on your motor or something like this. So here you have to push this. So we have to on the other side. And now we push up our motor hood. And now you can see that it's complete open. I don't know exactly which cars have this trick, but at Mercedes we have something like that. So it's more easy now to work on your motor. Now we have to pull back. Okay, have to pull back. How you can see, so is the normal open winkle. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed that.